Hello everybody! On this video, we're going to talk about the differences between Shopify versus Shopify Plus. At Optimum 7, we have done thousands of platform migrations in the past 10 years. BigCommerce to Shopify, WooCommerce to Shopify, Magento to Shopify, Volusion to Shopify, 3D Cart Shift 4 Shop to Shopify. So we know the Shopify infrastructure really well and all the functionalities of both Shopify and Shopify Plus. And on this video, we will guide you in the right direction in terms of the difference between Shopify and Shopify Plus. This is one of the most asked questions. What is the main difference between Shopify and Shopify Plus? Regardless of the fact of you being on Shopify or Shopify Plus, you get the same platform, you get the same template structure, you get similar functionalities. With Shopify Plus, you get a dedicated account manager who is there to make sure that your website is performing. You also get a semi-dedicated or maybe dedicated server that allows you to handle more sales volume and have a faster store. And you get access to more customizations on the Shopify platform. For example, you can make changes to your checkout and you can have a custom checkout SDK, which means that you can add post-checkout, pre-checkout upsells to your Shopify store, as well as different customizations if you have a specific workflow in terms of how you want to process orders. If you have any questions about Shopify or Shopify Plus capabilities, pricing, infrastructure, comment below or contact us at optimum7.com and we'll be happy to guide you in the right direction.